So now we're done with the dimensions. We're going now with plotting. So in plotting, it means printing as well. So to do that, you can click this icon at the quick access toolbar, or you can type Control P. So once you type Control P or press it, you will be asked if you want to continue to plot a single sheet or try batch plot. So what we will do is continue to plot a single sheet. There. If you open your plot layout, some might have this kind of dialog box. So you have to click this arrow to open the other options. So here in page setup, there is a name which states none. So it is like your style. So you can add page setup. So you can name your page setup. For example, you want it your name, no, because it is the style of your plotting. So now I will keep it as none. In printer or plotter, you will be asked in what kind of format are you going to print or plot your drawing. So since we're going to plot it in PDF, you will have to choose drawing to pdf.pc3. Now, if your PC or computer or laptop is connected to a printer, you will select the name of the printer. So since we are in PDF, we will select this. Now, beside this is the properties. Once you click the properties, you can edit the properties of the PDF. So you can create your custom size of paper. So once you click it, you can add the custom size. So we will cancel this anymore. PDF options will be asked for the vector quality, raster image. So I don't change this anymore as well. So we will go now to paper size. Paper size is the size of your paper. As mentioned earlier, we did the A3 size. So we will use the ISO full bleed A3 420 by 297. So full bleed means there's no margin. If it's in expand, the margin is uh, too low. Same as with the Microsoft Word, no? Na yung margin niya masyado maliit. So that's it for the paper size. So we'll change to ISO full bleed. So for the plot area, you will choose if you want to do layout, display, extend, and window. So we will use the window. If you use the window, you will ask to specify or select a window. So since this is our paper size, we will select our paper. First point here, second point here. So we will center the plot. Here in plot scale, there's a option if you want to fit it to paper. Since what we did is the same size on the A3 size available here in paper size, there's no need to fit the paper. So the scale that we will put is 1:1 in millimeters. You can change this into inches if your paper size is in inches. There are other scales here, so we will just use the 1:1. Next is the plot style table or pen assignments. So in layers, you will have an option of putting a line weights and line type. So here, you can edit the line weight of the color you choose or you chose in your layer. So this is the second option of putting a line weight on your drawings. So we will go first with the monochrome. This icon lets you change the line weight of the layer. So, kapag ako yung nagde-design or yung nagdo-drawing, dito ako nag-edit no thickness or ng line weight, hindi dun mismo sa layer. Kasi binibase ko yung thickness ng lines ko through color. So, we will change this. So, nakikita nyo dito is yung colors dun sa mismo sa layer. No? So, from color 1 to color 255. So, since yung dun sa layer, the first colors that you will see there is this one. So, if you click this, the line weight is object line weight. Naka-default siya. So, you can change the line weight of your color. So, for red, I will use 0.1. For yellow, I will use 0.2. For 3, I will use 0.3. For color 4, 0.4. 5, 0.5, 6, 0.6. So, since I use a color 8, I will use 0.05. So, I use this on the dimension. So, that's all that I edit here in the flat style table editor. So, you can change also the color of the color here. For example, I want the color red to be color in red once it is printed. Same as with yellow, for example. So I have to save and close. So this is what will happen. You have to click the preview. See, all the lines that are in yellow are printed in yellow. Lines in red are also printed in red. So if I'll change this again, or change it into black, the color of red and yellow are now black. So this is what will happen. So once you print the drawing, the color assignments will change into black. So there. So once you zoom in, you will see the line weights. So this is cyan or color number 4. The line weight is 0.4. This is the layer here. The layer here is AR walls, but I changed the color to green, so the line weight will be 0.3. So if you want to go out on the preview, just click escape. So once you click to apply to layout, if you open the plot again, naka-ready na tong drawing mo. Kumbaga, ito na yung naka-ready dun sa plot or sa layout. You can still select naman the window for the other drawings. So apply to layout. Cancel muna natin. So, for example, I want to pick, you have another drawing here. So, if I press Ctrl P, continue the processing, finish sheet, preview, this one. It is automatic that the drawing here in the plot is this one. So, I have to window. Select window again to change the view of my plot. So here's it is. Okay. So if you're okay with this one, For example, you have already put the, the room names, the dimension. You can now plot it.